Namaste, viewer. Welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 3rd of May 2024, we delve into the fascinating world of maize prices, focusing particularly on the dynamic market scenario in Bihar. In the bustling markets of Bihar, maize prices have showcased a remarkable trend, remaining steadfast with a slight upward inclination. This can be attributed to the fervent activities observed in rack loading and go-down stocking. In Gulab Bagh Mandi, prices have maintained their ground, oscillating within the range of 2010 Indian rupees to 2040 per quintal. However, the fervent demand witnessed in go-downs and racks has nudged prices upwards by 5 Indian rupees to 10 per quintal. Mansi and Badla rack points have particularly witnessed a notable surge, with prices escalating by 10 Indian rupees to reach 2020 Indian rupees per quintal. This surge finds further reinforcement from the escalating freight charges to other Bihar destinations, rendering supplies less accessible to buyers from neighboring regions at lower rates. Deals for Bihar maize en route to the North Maharashtra zone have settled at around 2,250 Indian rupees to 2,260 per quintal. However, buyers are encountering challenges in securing supplies below this rate, indicating a tightening market scenario. Over in Haryana, a bulk buyer is presently quoting 2,300 Indian rupees for immediate delivery and 2,275 Indian rupees per quintal for deliveries scheduled till mid-May. However, with freight charges estimated at 300 Indian rupees from Bihar to Haryana, Punjab, mandi prices would need to witness a decline of approximately 50 Indian rupees to 60 per quintal to facilitate deliveries, a feat that seems daunting amidst the ongoing buying spree. In the vibrant markets of Karnataka, maize prices maintain a steady trajectory with a bullish undertone, ranging between 2,420 Indian rupees to 2,430 per quintal. This can be attributed to the subdued performance of the new Rabi maize crop, which has failed to match the production levels of the previous year. Transition to Tamil Nadu buyers. Nina. Tamil Nadu buyers are presently quoting 2,430 Indian rupees for delivery, while ethanol and starch producers in Karnataka are offering 2,400 Indian rupees to 2,410 for the same. This disparity in pricing reflects the intricate dynamics of regional demand and supply. As new Rabi maize supplies dwindle in Telangana, buyers in the region may increasingly turn to Bihar for sourcing in the forthcoming months, thereby reshaping the supply dynamics. In light of these unfolding market trends, it appears that Bihar maize prices have nearly bottomed out, hinting at a potential stabilization in the near term. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the commodity markets, only here on Ajayastro Money Guru. Until next time, happy trading.